Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you an easy and affordable way to clean your brushes as well as your beauty blenders. Now if you are not cleaning those regularly, then you really need to be. I do mine every other week. I would really like for it to be every week, but I do prolong the use of my brushes by, I always have a clean washcloth in front of me whenever I'm using them, and every time that I'm done using a brush I always just wipe it off, and I find that really helps me prolong the time in between cleanings. But regardless, you really need to be cleaning those. So I'm going to show you just a quick easy way to do that. Now I have already cleaned a majority of my brushes. I saved 2 brushes for you guys as well as 1 beauty blender, and I saved the ones that I use every single day, so they are extremely filthy for you, just so you can get a good demonstration. So if you are interested in that, then please keep on watching. Alright, now keep in mind that I have already been cleaning my brushes, so this area is a little bit dirty. To start with, I'm going to turn on the hot water, and I'm just going to go ahead and wet my brushes. And usually I'm cleaning probably about 5 or 6 at a time, so I will wet them all, and then I will just pour the soap in my hand, and I am using Dawn dish detergent. And the only thing that you want to make sure of is that you have the antibacterial kind. Now I have tried the palm olive as well. That one's about 99 cents. It works, it works decent, but I really prefer the Dawn, and this one is more like 148. So again, not a bad price. I like getting the little bottle just because I can store it easily under my sink, which is right where I need it. So I just pour it in my hand, and then, you know, with no rhyme or reason, I just rub my brush all around. And that's really all you're doing, guys. It really does a super nice job of cleaning your brushes. Like, you will be surprised. You saw how dirty that one was when I started. It's normally a white bristle brush with pink tips. And it was just, you know, completely like reddish brown. Now this one does, in general, have like kind of tan bristles. So this one is not going to be as much of a shocker as that one, but that's one that I use every day. I'm sure y'all have seen me use that. Okay, I'm just going to wet my beauty blender. I'm going to rub it all around in the soap, and then I'm just going to start squeezing this. And I'm just going to squeeze it all around. The beauty blenders are the ones that take the longest to clean, and that is because it's really hard to get all of the soap out. Now, in the past, I have used the Japanese, like the goat's milk solid cleanser. This works just as well, if not better, in my opinion. Now, that one is pretty convenient because it's, you know, a solid, and you can just rub your brushes around in there. It gets pretty gross, though, so I do think this one is more hygienic in general. And like I said, the beauty blenders do take the longest. I might clean this one more time. This one actually has a little bit of staining. It feels so much better whenever you have clean tools that you're using. Like, I hate when the day comes for me to clean these, but the day after is so nice. Your brushes and everything will smell so good, and what's cool about the Dawn is that you can get different scents. So I have the green apple, and it's just going to make my brushes and my sponge smell glorious, nice and fresh. Okay, so that one is done. I'll go ahead and clean this guy up. Oh, that's so much better. And then with the blush brushes and things like that, I like to just take my finger and roll the bristles around, really make sure that I get deep down in there, get all of that soap out. Because sometimes you'll think you have all the soap washed out, and then you'll go to dry these off a little bit, and you'll find that it's not. So I've learned to just do this from the get-go, and you'll be a lot better off. So again, this is one of my favorite brushes. It's a Wet n Wild blush brush, and I just think that those brushes are so underrated. This is my Bean Gachos smudge brush from Paris. I've mentioned this in my favorites. It truly is a brush that I use every single day, and I love it. And like I said, this is a natural bristle, so it's not going to be, stark white. That's how it came to me. Alright guys, so that is it. If you notice, I was like squeezing some of this water out. Now I'm going to dry my hands off a little bit just so I can take you guys over to where I have these all drying. So over here is where I have all of my brushes drying that I cleaned today. So basically what I'm going to do is just take one of those that we just cleaned. I'm going to rub it around on an open area just to start the drying process. And then I'm going to store it just like that. And I have it rolled up like this towel, so that they will point downwards. Do the same thing with this. We are going to leave these here for a few hours until they're nice and dry, and then these will all be good to go. It is so easy. It's so fast. If this video was helpful for you in any way, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.